In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a CSV of testers to Firebase app distribution groups. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in the Firebase console, how to find the right place to manage testers, how to choose or create a group, and how to upload a CSV file so your testers are organized and ready for distribution. Before we begin, make sure you have access to your Firebase project and a simple CSV file that lists tester email addresses, one per line, with the emails in the first column. Start by heading to the Firebase console and opening the project you want to manage. From the left-hand navigation, go to the App Distribution section. This is the hub where you control who can receive your pre-release builds, and it's the right place for managing testers at scale. Within App Distribution, switch to the Testers and Groups tab. Think of this tab as your address book for distribution. It shows all individual testers as well as groups, which are collections of testers you can reuse across multiple releases. Using groups keeps things tidy and saves time when you're sending out new builds. Next, choose a group that you want to update or, if you prefer, create a new group. Groups are great for organizing by platform, team, project, or release channel. You might name a group by product area or by environment so you can quickly target the right people later. Keep the name clear and consistent so everyone on your team knows what it's for. Now, use the option to upload a CSV file of tester email addresses. Keep your CSV simple. One email per row in the first column only. If your file has multiple columns, Firebase will only use the first one, so make sure that's where the emails live. Avoid adding extra text and remove any stray spaces or punctuation that might cause formatting issues. If you have a header row, it's best to remove it to keep the file clean and prevent accidental import of non-email text. Also confirm that each email address is valid and belongs to someone who should have access to your builds. Once you select your CSV and upload it, Firebase processes the list and associates those testers with the group you selected. From here, you'll be able to use this group whenever you distribute builds, ensuring the right people get access without manually adding addresses each time. That's it. You went to App Distribution, opened the Testers and Groups tab, selected or created a group, and uploaded a clean CSV with emails in the first column. Keep your groups organized, keep your CSVs clean, and you'll streamline your entire testing workflow.